Now that I have removed my linen from the loom and washed it, I just threw it in the washing machine on just regular cotton wash. I did not put it on high heat. I put it on just a basic warm temperature water. So if whoever gets it wants to actually do a hot water wash to shrink it down further, they are welcome to do so. Of course, I have a couple of little bits on the end that I can snip off and make the edges better. But now that it is wet, I have not thrown it in the dryer. You can see there's some wrinkles on it. So what we're going to do now is called mangling. What this does is it actually flattens all of the fibers, and it helps soften it up and give it a nice sheen. This is my trusty mangler. It's amazing. That and just a lot of pressure. I'm just roller pinning it, rolling it out, flattening it out, smoothing those fibers down, getting them flat. This is the first thing. It's still wet. Still damp after being wrung out, but I am going to do this to the entire length, which I believe I have about 3 1/4 yards worth of linen fabric here, so all I'm doing, you can see how it's smoothing out already, but that's all I'm doing is I'm putting on a lot of weight onto the rolling pin and smoothing and flattening everything out so that the fibers are together. And it softens it up so much. It is amazing. So that is called mangling. And yes, I will do this probably a couple of times just to make sure that it's all nice and smooth.